As a teenager or college student, it can be difficult to make ends meet with a limited budget. However, there are several easy and effective ways to earn money that don't require a lot of time or effort. Here are 4 options to consider. Number 1. Sell items online. If you're like most teenagers or college students, you probably have a lot of stuff lying around your room that you no longer use or need. But did you know that these items can be turned into cash? By selling your items online, you can make some extra money while also decluttering your living space. Here are some tips on how to sell your items successfully. 1. Take high-quality photos. When selling items online, the first thing that potential buyers will see is your photos. It's important to take clear, well-lit photos that accurately represent the item you're selling. Make sure to take photos from multiple angles so that buyers can see the item in detail. 2. Write a detailed description. In addition to photos, you'll also need to write a detailed description of the item you're selling. Be honest about any flaws or damage, and include measurements or other important details. The more information you can provide, the more likely it is that someone will make a purchase. 3. Price your items competitively. When it comes to pricing, it's important to be realistic. Do some research on similar items that have sold on a platform you're using and price your items competitively. Keep in mind that you'll also need to account for any fees that the platform charges. 4. Promote your listings. To increase your chances of making a sale, it's important to promote your listings. Share them on social media. Ask your friends and family to spread the word. And consider running a sale or offering a discount to attract more buyers. Selling your stuff online is a great way to make some extra cash. Just make sure you take good pictures, write a detailed description, and price your items fairly. Don't forget to promote your listings too. It's a win-win situation because not only will you make some money, but it'll also free up some space in your room. So what are you waiting for? Start selling your stuff online today and see the cash come in. Number 2. Participate in paid surveys. Paid surveys are a cool way for teens and college students to make extra money without leaving their house. You sign up for websites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie to give feedback to companies about their products and services. These companies give you money or prizes in exchange for your time and opinions. It's easy to start doing paid surveys. You create a profile with some basic information, and the websites will match you with surveys that fit your profile. Some surveys only take a few minutes, and others might take longer, but you can get points or cash for all of them. You can also do other things on some survey sites to make extra money, like watching videos or playing games. But don't expect to get rich from doing paid surveys. It's just a fun way to make a few extra bucks here and there. One thing to remember is to be careful of scam websites that promise big payouts but never pay out. You should never give out your personal information or pay money to join a survey site. Just do a little research to make sure the site is legit before signing up. Taking paid surveys not only helps you earn extra cash, but also provides you with the chance to give your thoughts and feedback to companies. This can help companies to improve their products and services, which benefits everyone. Paid surveys are flexible and can be a great way to use your spare time. You can do them while doing other things like watching TV, cooking, or traveling on a bus. As you don't need any special skills or experience, anyone can participate and earn extra cash just by sharing their opinions. Paid surveys are an easy and convenient way for teenagers and college students to make some extra money. It requires minimal effort and can be done at your convenience. Always remember to stay safe and watch out for scams by researching before joining any survey sites. Try it out and see how much you can earn while enjoying the process. Number 3. Do odd jobs for others. Doing odd jobs for others could be a good option. It's a flexible choice that lets you work on your own schedule and pick the kind of work you enjoy. Here's what you need to keep in mind if you're thinking of giving it a go. The first thing to do is to figure out what kind of skills you have to offer. If you love animals, you could try pet sitting or dog walking. If you like DIY, gardening, or lawn mowing, could be up your alley. Once you know what you want to do, it's time to let people know. Social media is a great way to advertise yourself, but you can also make flyers and post them around town or at local shops. It's important to be upfront about what you can offer and how much you charge. Be fair, but make sure you're getting paid properly for your time and effort. Let your clients know your terms and conditions, like how you take payment and what happens if they need to cancel. Of course, while doing odd jobs can be a good way to earn some extra money, it's also important to be safe. Make sure you're comfortable with the people you work for. And if you're working in someone's home, tell a friend or family member where you'll be and when you're expected back. On top of earning money, doing odd jobs can also be a way to develop your skills and gain experience. It can help you build communication and people skills and give you a strong work ethic. Plus, having happy customers can be useful if you're looking for other job opportunities later on. Doing odd jobs is a flexible and fun way for teens and college students to earn extra money, gain experience, and develop new skills. Number 4. Make money from your blog or YouTube channel. To make money from your blog or YouTube channel, you need to build up a large and engaged audience. This takes time and effort, but it's totally worth it. You need to create quality content that people enjoy and find helpful. Share it on social media, and interact with your audience to build a relationship with them. One of the best ways to build an audience is by networking with other bloggers or YouTubers in your field. You can reach out to others who share your interests and ask for collaborations or guest posting opportunities. You can also join online groups or forums to connect with people and promote your content. Starting a blog or YouTube channel is a great option for teenagers and college students who want to earn some extra cash while sharing their passions with the world. It doesn't cost much to start and gives you the chance to build up a loyal following, make some money, and become a well-known name in your niche. If you're passionate about something, go ahead and start your blog or YouTube channel today. That's it, guys. You now know 4 easy ways to make some extra cash as a teenager or college student. Making money doesn't have to be a struggle, and there are plenty of options out there for you to explore. By selling items online, participating in paid surveys, doing odd jobs, or starting a blog or YouTube channel, you can boost your income and gain some valuable experience in the process. So go ahead and try out these tips and see what works best for you. Who knows, you might just find your next big passion project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.